Exercise 29. The functions f and g are defined above. In the xy plane, translating the graph of f by 4 units in which of the following directions results in the graph of g. So, we need to start from f of x, apply a transformation and see if we can get g or not. 4 units upwards. 4 units upwards means f of x plus 4. So 3x minus 5 plus 4, that would have been 3x minus 1, which is, yes, we found it, is equal to g of x. So it was quick, but the answer for that is A. Remember that downward would mean f of x minus 4. 4 units to the left would have meant f of x plus 4. And finally, 4 units to the right would have meant f of x minus 4. Overall, once again, the right answer for this question is A.